Okay, if number three gave you nightmares, I apologize for that. If you need some counseling, I'll give you a pass. I'm so sorry that happened. I don't know what happened there. Okay, hey, on example four, we've got a top of a 25-foot ladder sliding down a wall at 3 feet per minute. When the top of the ladder is 7 feet from the ground, what is the rate of change of the distance between the bottom of the ladder and the wall? Okay, so we've got this ladder. It is 25 feet long. All right, it is leaning up against the wall. Okay, and so at this moment, I will call this horizontal distance x, and I will call this vertical distance y. Okay, and that gives us the equation that we need. Okay, assuming that we have a right angle there, then we know that x squared plus y squared is equal to 25 squared. Okay, that's true. That's Pythagorean theorem. All right, now, and we are given a couple of things here. All right, so we're given the top of the ladder is 7 feet from the ground. So we are given that y equals 7. And we also are given that it's sliding, the top of the ladder is sliding down at 3 feet per minute. That means that y is getting smaller. So that means that dy dt is decreasing at a rate of 3 feet per minute. All right. And what are we trying to find? We're trying to find at what rate x is changing, because it's going to get bigger. If y is getting smaller and this ladder is not changing, then of course x is going to get bigger. So that'll be a positive amount, but let's find out. So we've got dx dt is what we're looking for. All right. When y is equal to 7. And that was in feet. Okay, so here we go. So number one, all right, derivative. So we got 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 0. All right, now, and we're looking for dx dt. Now, so in order to find dx dt, we needed to have y, dy dt. We have those things, but we also needed x. Well, the good news is we can find that. All right, so we can do that because we can do Pythagorean theorem. We can actually solve this. So we have x squared plus 49 is equal to 225. All right. And so if I subtract right there, let's see here. Oh, oops. You come back and you come back. So we got 225 minus 49 is 176. And thank goodness then that works out pretty nice. It's not great. Yeah, 7, 49. That's not 225. That's 625. 625 minus 49. Sorry about that. Come on, dude. I'll fix that over there. Square root of 576 is 24. Okay. All right, cool. All right, my bad. This is 625. Sorry. All right, and then x ends up being 24. I was about to say, they normally don't give nasty things on that kind of stuff. Okay, so now we can substitute everything in. So that was part one, which I only messed up on just a little bit. And now we can substitute in x is 24. So we have 2 times 24 times what I'm trying to find, the rate in which x is changing. All right. Would equal, let's go ahead and subtract this from both sides. So I have -2, and then y is 7, and then dy dt was -3. Works out really nice. Okay, and then I'm dividing. So dx dt, I'm just going to have the calculator do this for me. Is going to be, come on back. Let's bring it back this way. There you are. All right, so here we go. Let's go pretty fractions. All right, so on top, I've got 14 times 3. And on the bottom, I've got 48. And that is 7/8. Okay. Yeah. All right, good. So 7/8. And this is the rate in which x is changing. So the units must be in feet per minute. Okay, so feet, just like the rate that we were given. 7/8 feet per minute. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Knowing how fast it's sliding down the wall and knowing how long the ladder is and at what particular moment, and as long as you do Pythagorean theorem properly and don't do what I did, that was 15 that I squared rather than 25. As long as you're careful there, everything works out pretty good. All right, 7/8.